Welcome to day 2 of my train journey around the UK. Today I'm paying a visit to the National Railway Museum in York, where we dive into the past, present and future of the railways. Once you enter the museum, you arrive at this magnificent railway turntable with an old locomotive in the center. It serves as a centerpiece for all the other trains, giving it a spectacular look. This Shinkansen was from the 60s, and when it went out of service in the zeros, Japan donated this model to the Railway Museum. This is really extraordinary, as it is the only Shinkansen outside of Japan. The legroom is amazing for a train from the 60s from Japan. You would think that there would be maybe less legroom. I had a lot of fun at the Railway Museum. I like how they're all organized around the turntable. And now we're off to Aberdeen. It's a 5-hour train journey. I'm hoping we get some good views. The views were somewhat disappointing at the start, but as we get more north, the views got better every hour. Got a quick look at Edinburgh, which we'll see again in the not too distant future, before passing the notoriously difficult to pronounce Firth of Forth. The dock was a 5-minute walk from the train station, which is really convenient. Maybe there's still tickets. I quickly checked in and put my stuff away. For now I'm buckling up for the night, so see you in the next one, where we'll be on an adventure on the Shetland Islands.